Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel, Red One TV. Today's video is not going to be long at all, not even 10 minutes. I just want to talk to you about this wig on my head. Yeah. It is the Sensational, what is it? Sensational, the 100% fully hand-tied, singly 36-inch braided wig, full lace. You guys, I've been wearing this for like a week now, and I love it. I really do love it. Now, yeah, I really love it. So I had a few cons about it. Because you know, the cap construction. This wig, first of all, let me just start with the pros. It is big head friendly, very big head friendly. So I'm glad that they made this wig big head friendly. And when you put it on, you can make your own little alterations. You can cut off a few pieces, pinches if you need to, you know, just to make it fit around your ear. It does come with that double lace that I don't like, so I've spent time cutting that out. And as you can see, like when you do take out that double lace, it kind of gives you like a dark print. It's like, you know, the lace just becomes dark because like the knots are all black and it's just like around the edges part. What I did here, I just kind of like got one of those little razors and like cut the baby hairs off there, so I didn't really like spend time plucking it out like I normally would, but I took it out. You know, I just kind of like I got a razor and did it. But it is like a full lace, so I don't know if you guys can like see the back here. It's full lace, you know, so I am loving it. Let me just sit this here for a second. How I kind of like, you can see a little bit of what I'm trying to say here. So if you do cut off that double lace, it is, you're gonna need some makeup, okay? You're gonna really need some makeup. And if you're my skin tone, you're gonna need like lighter makeup, lots and lots of lighter makeup, so. But I really enjoyed this wig. Like it's, you know, like I said, 36 inches long. So it's like a little bit even past my butt, you know. So I've been enjoying this. I just wanted to film this because I didn't really film me putting in the, installing a wig at all this time. Because honestly, I'm finna get ready to take this off, okay? I need a perm, like really, really bad. So I'm getting ready to take this off. Was just to cover the nappiness under my head, you know? So, I knew I couldn't go anywhere with my head looking shot for a week, okay? So I had to, what better than to toss a wig on, you know? I really do love this wig because I did also just want something that just wasn't braided. Like, give me something new. Give me a singly one. Like, I never had singly before, so this was a pretty good wig. It's been doing me well for the most part. It's very lightweight. It's not heavy at all. Like I said, big head friendly. It does come with combs in the front, in the back, adjustable straps, adjustable hooks. So yeah, like this wig has been, it's been treating me well as well. Yeah, but that's all I wanted to say, you guys, just in regards to the Sensational wig. I do hope that they do come out with more full lace braided wigs as well, because I've been buying a boatload of those lately. So yeah, it's just because don't nobody want to sit hours in a seat and then pay like $200 just to get this done. Like you could simply pay, I don't know how much this costs now, what, $89 if you on certain websites, $89, and you could just glue the crap up. You could just glue the wig on yourself and wear it as long as you want. Okay? Like, seriously. Like, who's gonna check you? Who's gonna check you and be like, oh, that's not real? I mean, you can make it look real. I mean, if you just spend time in the mirror, just, you know, adjusting it and putting makeup on it and stuff, you can make it look real as all get out. But anyway, I appreciate Sensational for making a wig like this. This is like very awesome, you know, so I like really enjoy this. But anyway, you guys, like, subscribe, and share. Stop by my Amazon shop, my Amazon associate shop, and shop on my thematic link so you can check out some new music to, you know, stop all your copyright problems. Okay? All right, you guys. Love you. Bye.